The European Union United Nations Spotlight Initiative has held a virtual roundtable conference with religious and traditional leaders on enhancing community surveillance to end violence against women and girls. This is to help secure the commitment of these community leaders, especially in transforming social norms and ending harmful practices. Moyo Thomas reports on this.
Global attention is presently focused on the management and eradication of the COVID-19 pandemic. But the shadow pandemic, gender-based violence, has come to constitute, also deserves critical attention. Several indicators point to violence against women being ingrained in traditional practices. For example, forced marriage, despite being illegal in Nigeria, is permitted in some traditions and religious beliefs. Statistics from UNICEF 2017 says about 18% of girls are married off by age 15 and about 44% married off by age 18. Nigeria is said to have the third highest absolute number of child brides in the world and the 11th highest prevalence rate of child marriage globally. Female genital mutilation, which has been outrightly banned in the country, still happens. According to a National Demographic Health Survey 2018, 20% of women aged 15 to 49 have been circumcised. It makes getting society to condemn gender-based violence more complicated. In light of this, the EU-UN Joint Spotlight Initiative is now engaging traditional and religious leaders in the war against gender and sexual-based violence.
And religious leaders have an important role to play in helping to end gender-based violence in society.
Take action, to engage and to speak out.
The communities where we work, they are the gatekeepers. They're the ones who are interpreting and engaging with the communities.
Beyond the psychological and social consequences of these harmful practices, it also has great economic implications. A 2017 World Bank study estimates that child marriage costs Nigeria about $7.6 billion in lost earnings and productivity yearly.
The son preference and its implications for the status of the girl child, female infanticide, early pregnancies, etc. Despite laws developed to curtail them, such practices persist because they are not questioned and take on an aura of morality in the eyes of those practicing them.
The European Union and the United Nations have applauded the Nigeria's Governors Forum for declaring a state of emergency on sexual and gender-based violence in the country, as it is indeed a flagrant abuse of human rights. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.